What's going on, everybody? It's Jeff here. Welcome back to the channel. What a wild day we had today. Currently, I'm watching the charts right now. A couple minutes going into close. We were bounced off that $45 level up to 48 and sitting at a positive 6.5%. In this video, guys, I want to talk about a couple of very important things. I know some of you guys got nervous as we dipped all the way down to a low of $38 for all of you guys that hung on tight as we were extremely oversold. You are certainly seeing some of the rewards. I also want to talk about a little bit of a psychological standpoint. I hope all you guys got to see the video I made yesterday. While some of you guys had reached out to me and said, Jeff, thank you so much for calming some of my nerves, okay? Because your brain, it goes back and forth with each other. Some of you guys also were like, hey, where's that hype? Where's that hype? Well, listen, man, the hype is here, okay? One of the things that I also try to do is just calm people's nerves as well, because when finances are involved, some people can get a little bit anxious, okay? But let's get into the video right now, guys. Take a peek where we are rocking from the low, guys, all the way up to a high. Check this out. 28% increase. Absolutely phenomenal. I want to jump over to a little bit longer of a time frame just to show you kind of where we stand at for a technical level, because I've been covering it for so long. Okay, let me break out of this. Sorry, guys. We're going to jump over to the 4-hour chart. We bounced off right here, the 4-hour chart. We bounced off the 100 moving average. You jump over to the 2-hour chart. We bounced off of the 200 moving average. And when you jump over on the daily chart, we bounced off of the 50 moving average. Point of this is another very strong support. Last time we got a bounce here, we went all the way back up to this $65 peak. We just touched that $65 level. Be anxious to see exactly where we go, okay? Couple things I want to point out, guys, especially at the beginning of the day, very important. If you look at just what I have pulled up here from Yahoo, okay, Yahoo Finance, the whole market was bloody. A lot of nerves, okay, concerns over recovery. As listening to what the Fed was saying, they basically, the investors' mindset has been like, okay, well, the recovery has started to peak. You're going to see a little bit of rotations into stocks, as well as bond yields kind of doing twists and turns, doing their own thing, causing a little bit fear in the market. There is something that I did that I alerted to the group. I took a screenshot to show you guys. I had posted this on June 29th, and it's time for that VIX play as the SPY had hit all-time highs. If you're unfamiliar with the VIX, I've covered it on my channel numerous times. It is a phenomenal play, okay, to hedge against your portfolio. I got a nice fill at 127. Other people in the group got even fills even less. I think I bought in a little bit earlier. However, early this morning, we ended up closing that out for a 70, I think it was about 65 to 70% profit, which is absolutely awesome, as well as phenomenal, being another time to buy calls on all of your favorite dip stocks. Okay, so keep that in mind going through, guys. This chart still does hold as it stands today, and it was nice to get a good recovery. Now, what I really want to talk to you guys about is a little bit of the hedge funds mindset, okay? Because after a series of red days, I'm even going to jump back real quick, guys. After a series of red days, as we saw right here, you're going to see some green. Series of red days, going to see some green. Now, I know some of you guys, okay, like myself, I'm going to ride this thing through because I'm so far in the green. There are going to be people that says, oh man, like if it got back to X, I would sell. If it got back to this, I would sell. Well, here's the thing. That's their goal. Their goal is to show you that they have some control, beat this stock price down, okay? We were on SSR and it still went through the floor, okay? Beat this price down, show you a little bit of good faith, okay? To hopefully the guys that said, oh, if it gets back to that, I'm going to get out. Now, I know that each and every one of you, okay, are all hungry SOBs, okay, and see this and know the manipulation, know exactly what's happening. And when the stock price rises, you're just watching it from a standpoint and know that there is still room to run and you're not going to sell. I know that, all right, because of all the comments I've seen, everything that you guys have shown me, I know that you're going to ride this one through. But that is exactly what is on their minds, to be able to give a little bit of green, let a little bit go. You watch the short interest. It was up heavy yesterday. Some of the live short interest today, which is 2 days, delayed, showing that there might have been a little bit of covering. Okay, a little bit of closing of their positions, I should say, guys. Let me tell you, if any bit of positions were closed today to assist in that 35 or that 30%, almost 30% run, very, very, very small amount, okay? The amount of shares that are still, presumably estimated to be shorted that we even know of. Okay, remember that we even know of. If there was any significance in covering, this price would go absolutely through the roof because the buying pressure is 100% there. Okay, so hang on tight, guys. It looks like we're seeing a little bit of a flop. Seems like the previous week's Thursdays were a little bit rough. Today showed a lot of strength, brings a lot of movement back. Okay, a little bit of momentum back to the individuals that are holding, showing that we're going to continue buying. For all of you guys that scooped anything in the 30s today, we haven't seen that at that low in quite a long period of time, and it wouldn't surprise me that we move out of the 40s very quickly. It was ironic. An individual in our community, she had said, guys, we don't have much support in the 40s. We haven't spent a lot of time in the 40s. And by golly, was she right. Not only did we blast downward through the 40s pretty quickly, it looks like we are coming right back out of the 40s to the north side just as fast. So guys, that's it for this video. Let some of those nerves calm. The play still stands. Every bit of information that we've done over the past 6 months still stands true today. Know why you hold, know why you're adding to your position, what your exact plan is. It all stands true today. And just remember, take a look at it from a bigger scale, because like I said in yesterday, guys, some of this line watching, it hits that. You wake up in the morning, you're seeing it red. I hope some of you guys also had a little bit of breathing. Like, listen, it's the entire market that's red, okay? But you hung through, you stayed through. We saw a great blast to the upside. And here we are at the end of the day. I think the bell is going to be ringing literally right now as I am finishing up this video. So that's it for this one, guys. Leave a comment down below. Throw some hype around, throw some momentum, and I'll see you in the next one.